What's up YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. I'm back with an epic reaction. I hope it's not a prank, you know. I hope it's not a prank, Musip and Razor. I hope it's not a prank. Alright? Because so what's popping for this, you understand? This happened for a long time, dog. A long time, you understand me? I asked the girl of my dreams to marry me at the Rio Hotel Ocherius. Best marriage proposal. Razablade, did you finally propose to Iandra, bro? If you do it, I'm proud. You know I'm proud of you already, brother. You understand me? I say, I'm proud of you already, brother. So I can see what really happen, people. Like up the video. Let's get 1,000 likes this time, but not 1,000 dislikes, people. You understand me? I'm not saying the videos there for entertainment purposes already. I'm not saying no smarter than that. So I can see what I'm going for that video. Razor, Iandra, what are you doing? Make me see what's happening right here, so people, right here, so right now. Yo, I can see what's going on.
Can I do the right thing?
Sure! Caesar! If I watch it, I come in the I can see what's going on. Right now, I come in and want to congratulations to the Whytes. Alright. Yeah, I watch a full video of it. So they get the popcorn and everything and get ready. We're watching the full video today. Right.
You want to go for food first?
No, anything.
You sure?
Anything you want to do.
Good night.
Good man, make sure some nice, man.
Yeah.
Sure.
Well, she just want to probably get food first.
You just go to the two ladies? Alright, that's no problem.
Hello, good night. Good night.
Yeah. Watch your ass then.
Take care of her.
What?
Okay, this is fried rice or is it vegetable?
Vegetable fried rice.
Oh yeah, give me this.
1 spoon.
2. Yeah, can I get some of that? Yeah, can I get some of that as well? Yeah, that's one.
Some more?
Yes.
That's good?
Yeah, that's good.
Whose plate is this one?
That's mine. What's this? What's this?
Chicken barbecue.
Yeah, can I get that?
Anything else?
That's it.
Good.
Thank you.
Hopefully that's it.
Over there. Oh, you took chicken.
Yeah.
Mush. Oh, they have
Guys, she still doesn't see her table yet. I tell you.
Oh, you don't want
To get the greens.
Ready now?
Eat the veggies there, Razor.
You sure you don't want to wait? Right, go on.
Thank you so much.
You want, yes. Come on and then you come back.
Table time.
Oh.
Oh yeah, pushing me back.
Come on, see your reaction when you see a table. Come around here.
Yeah, so we can record everything.
Eh?
I think they want sea view.
We turn in here.
They said.
One. What's the next type of sheet? Yeah, man. You see? How do you like it? All eyes on you. Alright, my general, you know what thing go? All eyes on you, mama. Can you take off your mask, but we can see your face expression.
Sure. Realize that I'm scroll to YouTube, everything is supposed like it is because
You good? Alright, so she look like she happy. Let's get some food.
yeah, brother. Nervous.
You don't want to emotional now? Alright, let's get some food, babe. No problem. What are you nervous for?
Back you over there, look. Watch your hands them, bumble cleat dog. Yo.
Yeah, man, let's get some wine.
Wow.
Champagne, my bad, yeah.
Beautiful.
Make sure you enjoy everything in a day.
Good, I got for him. I was it. Hey! Yo, we have to pause, but I don't have to pause. We can't. Oh, yeah, enjoy ourselves here, man. We enjoy the video. Make sure you have no popcorn and no snacks and not go and munch, right? Right? Yo, Sonic. Big up, Rolly.
Right, definitely.
No,
Same way, you don't know. No more than know who take care of Unite, you know. Staffari, you know. Alright, when you come and real link up Staffari, straight.
Big up, right? Yeah, man, I eat that.
Bless. Wow. Nobody start crying to come and know you. So, miss, how was your food?
It was good.
Let me see your plate, come and need to know, you know. Okay. Okay. Well, people, I share my food, you know. And I like, you know. Dinner was lit for me. Me want some more juice, you know, and anything extra to make the night nice, isn't it? You don't know if you don't know what this right here, so I say I love you. Alright, that's all. True, if one dead, you just can't make too much snap, you see me? I just say it goes still. Alright, now the phone dead still. What we have to do tonight, by the way? What we have to do tonight?
I don't know, eat dinner. We can go on an entertainment.
You want to go to an entertainment bar? After we're done. Oh, we are get some dessert right now. Yeah, we are tell them, we are tell the waiter say surprise we isn't because the reason with them are telling them say we want tonight to be special. So them will make it special. So big up to Rio every single time and the whole staff and everybody will play a part here tonight. You see? So why if you just there glow?
Wow. Pull up our
Did you know that if you're feeling stressed, lonely, or having thoughts of suicide, you can get support by...
She nervous like how? What are you nervous for? Who look? Eh? Who look?
But thank you, babe. I really appreciate this.
You appreciate it? You look happy though, I like that.
Nervous.
You look well happy, I like that. You look nervous, see my babe. Relax, sir.
Nervous.
We do this party today, you're supposed to be relaxed. People, why she looks so tight now? Relax, man. You look like you're crying. You look like you're crying. Relax, man. Breathe easy, man. So we wait for dessert, people. I want to see what going to come. Feel like I have a sweet tooth tonight.
Sure.
And then we're going to try to see if we can go. What you say? The disco room? Alright, the disco room after this.
The bar, the pool in the
Which one?
With the bar and the pool.
Okay. Bar with the pool.
Yeah,
The pool playing? Oh, pool night?
Yeah, the bar.
Well, a full night still in anything you say goes in. You're around for sure. What do you want? May I say anything you say goes in? Say if I say bar, pool, anything.
Anything?
Alright. So we're going to build and wait for people for my boss so far. You see? Alright.
Far the boss.
Right?
Yeah. So I put it in the center if you want. I put it closer to Sheila because I'm not a problem. Yeah. Iandra Babooram. Alright, so people, they're in a Royal Jewelers right now. I'm there and look for some engagement ring.
Yes, this is it. Perfect. Yo, what? Safari said so.
I just purchased an engagement ring for Iandra. So, yeah, when you see this, I just want you to know that I love you. You're my dream girl. I couldn't wait for this moment. So I just take the opportunity. I think about February, but February we are next year. I can't wait so long.
Yeah.
I sit down and I say, yo, time to wait for nobody. I don't know I have the perfect girl. Even though I know I try to wait for the most perfect moment. Certain things in our life are just one-time opportunity. And you have to make it right and make it special.
Yeah.
I say. But just didn't want to make sure the date and timing perfect because Iandra wait for this for a while. And I could come do this and do it the right way. My plan is I go hide the ring up on my mother yard because Iandra have a style.
And that's all right.
Iandra have a style for just go through the stuff them. And we go stay over her mother, you see me? So I don't want she go through the stuff them and buck it up.
Yeah.
Iandra have that style from long time. Iandra come like a mother. She want to prepare everything, do everything. So if me go do something for her when me prepare as a surprise and make she shake it up, I'm not going to leave it out. So I got left ring up on my yard. The only person I tell are Jody. Iandra have one idea, say, yeah, this me I go do. Jody I go know this. And she go just go and hold it off to me. You see me? I say,
yeah.
So,
you're right.
me I go show you as promised. Take up it up.
She hold it for you. So I she's married, you know.
That's cute.
What do you think?
It looks good.
Of course. I mean, you buy it, it must look good. Yeah,
Sure.
man. What do you think?
Nice.
That you draw and lock.
Alright, so this is the vlog behind the vlog.
Yeah.
Today is November 4.
Yeah.
One day till tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'm gonna propose to my girlfriend tomorrow.
The why?
See them with the ring all long. Right now I feel like she even see it because Iandra is a girl like this, she clean everywhere. Hopefully God she not see it because with me don't like when people spoil my surprises. I could find nowhere for hide the ring. You know which part I hide the ring? I'm gonna show you.
Open the bathroom hide the ring in the razor. I won't put in that bathroom hide the ring in the brother.
As a matter of fact, let me show her. I have to put the ring in my set away bag, which is the bag I carry with me most time I go up on the road. I have to literally hide the ring in the computer part.
So you ring up on the road every
See
day
that?
with the dog.
The box are tear, but you don't know, say, and
Box
really the
don't
box
make no
matter
sense, you
upon
understand?
the day. Like this.
Plastic are protect it.
Right now, I try to remember if I did size 8 my bike, I don't remember nothing. You see? God. Me you know say a size 8 you wear, but me I try remember if a size 8 me buy.
Oh God. Let's check it dog. Oh,
So,
we can't do it. We are
make sure I tuck it in my bag
we are
when I go down
right
so.
now.
And just hope for the best and do the right thing. So, babes, I don't know what other clip I got add before this or even after this, but I just want you to know, say, I love you. May I do the right thing, put a ring on it, stamp the relationship, do the right thing, da 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 da. Woman, I love you. Is it?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Yeah.
yo, nervous is a little
Yeah.
bit like so hold on, I'm gonna practice how to go down for my knee. If you propose. Me don't want nobody wipe me neither, you know, because yeah, me don't want nobody wipe me. Me don't want nobody wipe me neither, because yeah.
No white business. Just a packet them out of your pants and
need a
thing, you know
better
what I mean? But that's alright. Just a packet them out of your pants, but that's alright. You see me I say?
You already. Iandra Babooram, you are. That me have to do tomorrow. Iandra Babooram.
Long time ago.
Iandra Babooram.
Yeah.
Me and you been together for 4 years. You've been the girl of my life.
Yeah.
You know what? When it happen, it happen. Sign off. You want to like your reference with you when you hold it, I make sure you say focus for me. You see me? Yeah. Iandra Babooram.
Yeah.
You're like the best thing that ever happened to me other than being born. You know you wait and you wait and you wait and you go through it with me and everything. I'm going to say time and patience. You see me I say, don't feel like something that going to make tonight pass. I'm going to do the right thing. Pull up your head.
Ugly like whatever, but yo. Talk to her, Yana. Talk to her.
No bag of words tonight, but I just want to do it nice and smooth. But the right thing is the right thing, so
Yeah.
can I step around here?
Cheers. There was a fire.
Take this out here. Can I put this back here? Can I do the right thing?
Yeah.
It's been 4 years together. Have you had it? You sure? You sure? Got it. Whoa. So finally, the name Miss Whytes. And kick off the Babooram. Something like that. First thing, you know you're going to snap a lot, but we want to be the first person to get a snap with your hand. You know you're going to snap 2 days now, so I want to make sure I have this a snap for myself. Show me your ring. Oh God, they're snapping when you're crying, but you're good. I love you so much. I have to say you're the best thing that ever happened to me other than being born. You see? Love you here. No, enjoy your ice cream and all of that. Thank you, my boys. Here, yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, big up. So you know this is why. Anything to say? Long time. I have a video clips and show. I buy the ring more than about 3 months now. I have to literally hide the ring for you in my bag because when it comes to you clean on the whole house, I never know what to hide the ring. So just to make sure you don't see it tonight, but just give the weight of the ring for go and keep. Yo, thank God it fit. Oh my God. Finally, though. Real man, the real thing. You know, you're not going to stop crying, but that's how you go. If you want to call Miss Desiree, show her first, I can show her because I'm not going to show the vlog yet. You want to call her? I'll give you an opportunity. You want to call her? Yeah, man, me go for it go perfect, my boss. When you call Miss Daisy, when you show her a video call, buy a video call. I'm a boss. Hold on, tell her to request the video. Mommy, turn on the video there. Yeah, me tell you no.
Oh yes, you tell her to tell her to. You see, you can't tell nobody that you can't tell her.
Yo, you see from now on, when I set the answer, you know, yeah, set the answer.
I love it.
Yo!
Oh, you know some I love it.
Everything, yeah, you know that.
Finally. So now your name is Mrs. White.
I love it.
Hey man, make sure you make Chalky see it to you.
Thanks, mommy.
Yeah, mommy, big up.
Mommy. Mommy said thanks to this.
Mommy, later we talk here because I don't want to go to cry all night. I want to enjoy the night. Yeah, my general. You see me, you know, me is an ice cream man, you know. So if I can get one big something, the biggest size of ice cream I can get for myself, do that for me. Do that for me, you see? Yeah. Yeah, if mommy can video call. And the next part too, I want to big up Jody because Jody actually did an eye ring for me for a long while, and then me take it from her car. But they go propose to you. But they go propose to you upon 3 different times, but me say no. Today at the right time. Yes.
The mommy and her dog to reconnect.
Oh, mommy and her dog?
Yeah, to reconnect. Yeah, how you do this?
That's cool, no man. Razablade, no man. Razablade.
Mommy, because our video call now work.
Lock off party, dog.
Just make sure you say them alone have it.
Yeah.
Hey, she already have ring trouble already. But anyway, I'm not going to post this vlog same time. Just know, so when I see this, I proposed to her on our anniversary dinner night. I have to let go the video them in order. So, you guys get to see second, wifey come first. See it? I don't know if me even want to vlog for the rest of the night. I'm a married man now. Well, almost. Is it? Hey boy, you have a second. I don't vlog enough.
Take shot time now.
No, I have something to say. You know, I always have something to say. But it's so good on my finger.
Yeah, man, my general. See the respect, man.
Thank you so much.
Big up him every time. Big up the general every time. Bless. Alright, so I just want to thank every single person from the real staff using me help me put this together. And the other people in the staff too, because you know customer service A1. I'm now a married man.
Oh, she's a Bible study.
Okay, so let me do the vlog I said. Oh, you want to say something? Okay.
Babe, me know me and me don't know how you hide this because me know everything was coming our own. Me don't know how you do it. Me not lie. Me don't know.
I'm steering from that again. Oh, that's how me want to hear it.
Me don't know how you do it, how you hide it. And you know when you come up here, me not lie. My mother did a good job. You know, because when we come, me I say we come on a trip, so this is it. I appreciate it. I love that trip here, you know. And then when we come dinner, I say, who you get them to do this? Who you get them to set up a place like this? So I think so that I did like the last surprise. Babe, me no know. Yep.
I love you too. That's why I put a ring on it.
Thank you so much. I really love and appreciate it.
Make sure you love a ring for real.
I love you.
Alright, me I done the vlog now because I need to speak with my wife now. That's what I say. Squad.
You check that thing for putting the end screen video. But viewers and subscribers. Oh my gosh, I have some editing for going to become a camera lock off for like around 25 minutes to backside. I never expect that, but I want to say thank you for checking out my reaction video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Me know me enjoy watching the video. And as you can see, me sit down and watch a full 25-minute vlog. Bumbuckly, dog. Where me get them time from? But raise a big up yourself. You understand me? Iandra big up yourself. You know what I say? And I'm hoping to get married till next year so me can show up. If you know I'm dead, but I like dead still, you see me I say, but yeah. Yeah man, big up on yourself man, it was a good look. You see me I say congratulations to both town, you understand me so. Big up on yourself, everybody say congratulations in the chat. You see me I say, let's go. I'm out. I'm tired and I get some food in my system right now. Peace.